Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to be a host on Agoda. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in agoda.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Agoda website where you can log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. After you are logged in order to list your place, you will simply be able to find the List Your Place button at the top menu. Simply click on it, and now you will be taken into the listing page. If you don't already have a verified account, you will be asked to upload your photo, add your phone number, and verify your email. You will also need to have a full name added to your profile. Once you are verified, you will be able to add various info and photographs of your place to add it to your listing. So make sure you complete the verification process, and then it is just as easy as clicking a few buttons and uploading a few pictures. And that is how easy it is to list your place and become a host on Agoda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.